Are you ready to serve up a successful career? Look no further than our Hospitality and Hotel Administration course at iLEAD. We are shaping the future of hospitality, a course that is designed to give you the skills, expertise, and industry connections to succeed. Our comprehensive 4-year course covers every aspect in F&B service, food production, accommodation operations, front office management, and facility management. Our cutting-edge infrastructure is designed to simulate the real world, and the state-of-the-art labs, training restaurants, and hotel environments are created to mirror the industry. With industry experts and guest lecturers, our students gain insights into the latest trends and best practices. Our unique course structure focuses on practical skills, iLEAD's B.Sc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration. Learn from the best, train with the best, and become the best.